You're about to graduate high school and you have no idea what you want to do with your life. That's fine. We all were in the same situation. But something that I really want to recommend, and this is my only advice. Don't go study if you're not 100% sure that's the career path you want to take. If you're 100% sure you want to be a doctor, by all means, push, push, push. But if you're unsure and and you have your family on your back and they want you to tell them what are you going to be studying and you don't know, just take a gap year, maybe go work and during that year save up some money. It can be any job, literally any job. I promise you, as you're working that job, you're going to be dreading it. It's going to be awful. And you will soon start to realize what you'd rather be doing in that time instead. So don't go study something that you're not interested in. You're going to waste your money or your parents' money, and it's not going to end good. You're going to waste a few years of your life. Sure, everyone says the college experience is something worth doing. That's fine, but only if you're actually going to be using your degree. You can still have the college experience by working a job instead and staying with a roommate that goes to college. You don't necessarily have to go study, and you can still go party then, whatever you want to do. Not that I would ever recommend that, but I think all I'm trying to say is you can have the college experience without having to physically pay for a degree that you're never going to use. Rather save that money, maybe start a business of your own. Not everyone wants to be entrepreneurs, and that's fine. All I'm saying is don't study something that you're not 100% sure you'll use. I'm going to use myself as an example. For the first year of my life after school, I basically took a gap year. I tried studying online. It was free at least, but it just didn't work. The second and third year after school, I worked a job. Was for the town I was in, it was decent money. So I was able to save up, but I was dreading it. It wasn't what I wanted to do. And I knew I could see myself doing something else, which was real estate. So I was able to save up the money. And now I'm having the college experience just because I know I'm still working, but I have the college experience because I'm staying with my roommate, which is my best friend. And you don't have the responsibility of studying for tests. You do have to work though. So what I'm doing now is I had an internship at Seaf Properties, and I'm now pursuing a career in something that I love, something that was my dream, just because I saved up a bit of money and I didn't go all in on some career path or some study path of during college. So you don't have to take the normal route. Chill, take a step back and make sure the decision you make is a good one. I'm not saying if you did make the wrong decision, if you're 2 years into studying and you feel like this is not for me, that you can't go back and can't continue a life of doing something else. I'm just saying that it would be better if you have the option still, if you're still in school, to make sure that you don't make that mistake of choosing something that you're not really interested in. It can feel like it sets you back and it's going to demotivate you a lot. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you agree with me. And if you do, please drop a like so that I know. And I'll be trying to make some more videos that maybe you guys can relate on. Thanks so much. Bye.